Welcome back in our C++ tutorial. Today, we will discuss about pointers. So before we start our code, let me define you what is a pointer. So a pointer is a variable that stores the memory address as its value. So a pointer variable points to a data type like int or string of the same type and is created with the asterisk operator. So we have references. So what is the difference between the asterisk, which is our differences, and the ampersand symbol? Okay, so the ampersand symbol is the reference operator and can be read as address of. Okay, how about the other one? The asterisk operator is the reference. The reference operator n can be read as value pointed by. So we can have an example. So for example, we have here a string food example. So we have here chicken. So we have another one, string. So we have asterisk. So we have here the pointer or the PTR is equal to ampersand food. So the meaning of the first statement, a food variable of type string. The second one statement, a pointer variable with the name PTR that stores the address of food. Okay, so example, cout. So if we want to display the value of food, which is the chicken, we will then cout food. So you can do \n for new line or endl. Okay, then next, so what if you want to display the memory address of food? Okay, so we can do cout ampersand food. Okay, then if you want to display the memory address of food with the pointer, so we call it, we type it as cout ptr endl. Okay, so that is only our example. So if we will try our code, if we will try our code in our C++ structure, so we have copy and paste, then let's try to run the program. Okay, $food, so this is ampersand food. Save, then run. Okay, so we have here the value of the food is chicken, then we have here cout food, which is the address of the chicken in the memory of the computer. Okay, so that's it.